What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be on XLM Stellar. We are going to take a look at the chart, and then we're going to look at a little bit of news. So stick around later in this video for a little bit of news on Stellar. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you are new to this channel, down here in the bottom right-hand corner is my logo. You should be able to see it, hopefully. Click my logo and click subscribe that way, or click subscribe below. On this channel, we're going to be covering 20 plus assets, including Cardano, XRP, VeChain, Digibyte, and API 3. And in this video, XLM. We are also going to be talking about, at the end of this bull run, when we get it, which I still believe we will. And I'm going to explain a little bit of that in this video. We are going to be looking at the end of this bull run on exit strategies, on when is a conservative time to get out of your coin, a mildly conservative time to get out of your coins, and a little bit riskier time to get out of your coins. I'm going to be breaking that all down on the charts. We're also going to be looking at the Pi cycle top indicator to time out Bitcoin and a number of other coins with pretty high accuracy, not much of a lag. So subscribe if you haven't yet, and we're going to keep covering all these different coins. So let's get into the XLM chart. So the XLM chart on the daily here. Daily time frame. Each candle's 1 day. So XLM on the daily. No, the chart does not look great by any means. It does not. Obviously, you got a sell signal. That is a bearish cross on the daily time frame, something that you do not want to see. But there are so many other factors going on in the market right now that this isn't extremely concerning to me as of yet. Now, if we just went on a tear and we went on a, say we just went on a bull run. We just went on a big bull run. If we did, just went on a big bull run and prices were going crazy, then yes, this whole pattern right here would be extremely concerning. This pattern at the end of the bull run is extremely concerning. Right now, not as much. There's so much else going on in the market, and we did not just end a bull run. As far as XLM, yes, you have this bearish cross. You're coming down. Where you're at right now is a decently strong support level. Let's put out a line here where we're at now. So right now, you can see these small little candles here. If we just put a line here, you can see how it has acted as support through here, a little bit through here with some wicks, through here. It's a decent support line. Now, do I expect Stellar to lose the support line? Probably, because I do expect Bitcoin to go down to $37,500 in that area. And hopefully that is the end of the ABC correction. We can actually get this party started and get this bull run, get this show on the road in October, November, December. If Stellar is to lose this support line of 25 cents, where do I expect it to fall? Well, to me, it's pretty obvious. It's going to be right here. And that is 23 cents. So if it does, because you can see how it acted as support so many times before, even when it wicked down for the day, you had people buying it up and it came back up and it stayed supported on that 23 cent line. Now, what this could be is as Bitcoin goes to, I mean, XLM is already down. I mean, we've already done some correcting on XLM, obviously. If Bitcoin continues to make that move over the next few days, next week, maybe Bitcoin has a little rally and then it still goes down to that 37,500 in that area. When it does make that move down to that 37.5 area, it's going down to it. That could be Stellar at the same time moving to this 23 cent area. So you would have something like Bitcoin in the 37,000 range and Stellar at 23 cents. if Stellar loses that 23 cents and then loses, you know, right below that at 22 cents, then yeah, Stellar is going to fall possibly to 20 cents back where we were in, let's see here, where were we? In July. Obviously, June and July were all this down. This was that correction that we had all summer long. We don't want to go back there. I don't think that it will. It's possible, but we've definitely already had a lot of correcting on XLM. Unfortunately, I do hold XLM. I hold a decent amount of it. My biggest holding is Cardano. Second biggest holding is XRP, and I have about 20 other coins. So I do have XLM. We'll see what the future brings. These are some support lines that we expect to sit on. 25 cents where we're at now, and 23 cents for what I just explained. So it shouldn't roll over too much more than that. And really, because I believe the bull market's coming, that would be a great zone to accumulate more, to buy more. That is what I would do, but it is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. That is just what I would do, because I'm going to show you the Bitcoin chart now and what I think is going on. And it's not just me. There's many other chartists that have some similar stuff going on. But if we are to zoom out a little bit here on Bitcoin, so what we have going on is we have this trend line that's coming through here. So obviously it found support on it before, and we are hoping and we are looking to basically come down to this line, bounce up, you know, and it's going to be, again, it doesn't just roll straight up, 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 and everything's just always up and up and up. Anybody who's been in crypto for a little while knows that when it hits it, it's going to be up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, as long as you want to keep creating higher highs and you get that roll. And if you even made a pattern like this, you would pass the all-time high, go into price discovery, and get that start of that bull run. We are currently sitting at $41,585 right now. We'll see what happens. Do we have to finish an ABC correction by coming down to there? Do we have to? Only time will tell. I'm thinking 70% chance we do at this point in time. I didn't think it before, but that's basically where we're at now. So we continue in falling wedge patterns. We just continue in falling wedge patterns that we've been in, that we keep getting stuck in, and it is what it is. It's got to correct. If it does come down to that area, we expect that to be healthy and start to make some movement back up in October, November, December. We have a lot going on in the market, and I do expect a lot of companies, institutions to pick up Bitcoin at that low price if it does go into that $37,000 range. Now, if we go to the weekly on the Bitcoin chart, with that same exact trend line, that same area, that 37,000 right here in that area. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's get a closer look at this. So right now, that 55 EMA is $36,800. By the time it gets down there and this EMA moves, it's about right at $37,000, just like I was explaining on the daily. So it is also the support level on the weekly chart. And as you can see, what happens when you come down on the weekly chart for the 55, you find support. So, and you can come back up, but yeah, it's just another indicator that is pointing to that $37,000, $37,500 range. So back to XLM on the chart. If we were to recover out of this pattern, get a bullish cross, Bitcoin finishes its ABC correction like we were just talking about, we get some movement out of the market in October, in a week or two, XLM will recover. The market moves in unison. XLM will recover just like any other coin. And what would happen is in a bull run, when we get it, what XLM is going to do, this is what's going to happen with XLM. XLM is going to go up. And this is conservative, guys. XLM will go up to $1.90 to the 1618, and that is being conservative. And the reason that it has that ability to go up that high, first of all, it's just the 1618, but the reason the 1618 is so high there is because you were so high here and you came down so low. So you were up in the range of 80 cents and you happened to fall around to 20 cents. 20 cents. That's 4x from the bottom where you were. That's 4x just from the bottom back to the all-time high. That's a pretty large drop. Because of that massive drop, the retracement and extension can be even faster. The greater the retracement, the faster the pace to the upside. So that is what I expect out of XLM to the 1618 conservatively, $1.90. So that would be some nice price movement. So that's what we got with Stellar. So taking a look here at Stellar on Twitter, they just posted an hour ago. Stellar was built with CBDCs in mind to allow trusted issuers to create digital representations of their assets. Download our new white paper to learn what features make Stellar uniquely suited to issuing CBDC and how to implement a CBDC on the network. That is pretty cool. Stellar has always had a pretty big Twitter following, 634,000 followers, about double the size of VeChain actually. That's a pretty impressive following that it has. And posting 12 hours ago, Spanish startup, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Voton, will integrate their intra-company cross-border payments platform onto Stellar for the Spanish regulatory sandbox with support from PwC and SDF. So sort of along those lines of something like XRP is looking at doing. So not too much to say about Stellar right now. Obviously, the price action is down. Everything is kind of red. Bitcoin is doing its correcting again, and the market has not started to lift off yet. We are just waiting. More patience can equal more money, and it usually does. I am not getting rid of my Stellar. At this point in time, I am holding on to it. We just have to wait and have more patience and have that vision moving forward for the bull run. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully these Stellar videos in the future are of a little higher quality and they're a little more fun. Obviously, these videos are a lot more fun to produce when we're getting some price action upward or at least something positive is going on. So that's going to be it for this video, guys, and we will see you next time. See ya.